Hello XRP holder or Sologenic holder if you're going to be receiving an airdrop. I just wanted to give you an informative video, and also there's going to be the core airdrop about some people are holding XRP and they might be holding Solo or core and just getting these airdrops and not knowing exactly what to do with them or how to find out more information. So this is just more information for you. And here is the Sologenic Decks. So this is like a Dex that you would find on any other network. And this is theirs, the XRP one. So this is from the XRP Ledger, if you've heard about that. And somebody's made a spreadsheet. And this works with the Zum wallet. This is something you can get on your phone, the Zum wallet, where you get the trust lines. And this is a whole bunch of, this is on the Songbird network, all the tokens. So you know how on any token, like on Avalanche or on Ethereum, they have projects and each project has a token. So these are projects with their tokens. And this, you go to gadget78.uk, that's a URL, a website address. You type up here and you can find this. Find all the projects on the XRP ledger. So basically the native token would be XRP, right? Like if you're on Avalanche, you get the Avalanche token and then you go to their projects and you switch that token for the tokens project, and you need that native token to, function in their projects. So over here, you need the XRP token probably, right? I haven't actually gone into any of these. This is something that I've been getting airdrops in the wallet. I haven't done much on the ledger. But since we're getting this Sologenic airdrop, and it's a DEX, so basically if you click on here, it's going to take you to the DEX. So, see the sologenic.com, and here access DEX. So when you click on that, and this is where you get to learn about their airdrops, it'll take you here. So basically I was looking here and somebody was talking about there was NFTs on the XRP ledger, and I'm not sure which one it is for some reason right now. Let's see if I can scroll down here. It was called XZILLA. Let's see if it's here. Here it is. See, I came here and I clicked on here, and I want you to see some of these projects, because if you've gone to the other dexes and the other networks, a lot of the projects, they have clunky websites. Some of them have nice websites, but I want you to see some of these XRP websites. They're pretty nice, actually. So basically, you came here, look at the very nice website, collection of 2,000 XZILLA NFTs to be minted on the XRP ledger. And you can buy it. You click on there, and you see it takes you to the Sologenic Decks, where you can buy. So basically, you have to have the XRP, to buy it. This is how many XRP, 1,899 XRP to buy one XZILLA token. So, yeah, and you can see its chart right here. I mean, it's like doing well. Obviously, if the token is worth that much. So you would have to connect your wallet. When we hit connect wallet, so you can use the Zum app, Zum wallet, or any of these other ones. So this is where you would have your XRP, and you can buy things on the Sologenic Decks. And just like any other place, this was another one. It was calling calorietoken.net. aiming to be the world's food token. Okay, so this is for the food industry. These are like really use cases, you know, this is like for cafes and groceries and restaurants and wholesalers, real world things. These you know, projects are for real world things to replace, maybe not, I don't know about replace, but maybe add to, maybe one day replace some of the ways we do things, right? If everything becomes digitized. So some of them obviously are not going to be, you know, that serious. I haven't clicked into everyone, but this first one I did look at. Sometimes my internet is slower, so it might take a little longer. So loading. This one, the art. I mean, look, the first, these are art NFTs. A new ecosystem for the art industry, enabling the IOV through the XRP ledger. Okay, so this reminds me of art galleries. That looks like they're an art gallery. Okay, so, I mean, of course, look, see, there still are web issues like any place, I guess. But this would become an art brand ambassador. This looks like a professional, like art gallery, stuff like that. So basically, you know, the art in the galleries becoming NFTs. So that's what this looks like. That's a real live use case, something real. If you can really go into an art gallery and make an NFT, and I don't know if how long will people accept that stuff, you know, they might want to see the real thing. But anyway, if you've heard of, there's XPunks Club, XRPL Punks. Sorry. Let's see. Can't talk there for a moment. But I just wanted you to see some of these projects and why people say XRP has a use case. Because here it is. And so this is their website, and you can actually generate an XPunk. They're basically saying to put a profile picture, maybe. Don't forget to find your own XPunk and change your profile pic to support our ever-growing family. Did you get one of the newest creations? Generate your XPunk below. So here you can click through and go through the steps to generate something. And this, you know, this has a coin. Yeah, so I just wanted you to see it's here. There's a coin. You can add the trust line to your Zum wallet, and with your XRP, you can purchase this coin. Supposedly, these are all on the Songbird Network. I haven't actually started buying any of these or gotten involved in any of this. One thing I do not see here that I do see in the other things is a lot of, you know, in the other ones it's a lot of staking and liquidity pools and generating passive income, which is nice. But if you go here to these things, I don't see a lot of that going on here. Let's see. What else? Collegecoin Network, .network, I don't know. Just wanted you to see the types of things. Collegecoin Network. CCN is a college-based token used for buying textbooks, miscellaneous good, and crowdfunding college parties. Free airdrop starts in add trust line to be eligible. Initial airdrop, okay. Change the way you buy, sell on campus. This is for colleges. This is not just, this is like, imagine the colleges start using these things, XRP. So basically, that's why people say that this is going to take over things. Look, these are real things that they're trying to do here in the world, not just like in digital coin land, crypto land. These are like real live use cases they want to replace or enact in our world. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this. So if you want to get involved or start looking at it and see what this is, you can. And these are similar to other things. They have white papers where you can read the countries that these are from, and you can just go through and investigate. And if you want to go through your Zum wallet and get on, the Zum wallet, start buying stuff and doing things, you can do that. And there are tutorials on YouTube on the Zum wallet, so just wanted to review that with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.